Welcome to Aidan Clark Learn. If you are preparing for the Microsoft 365 Copilot and Agent Administration Fundamentals exam, understanding Microsoft 365 Copilot questions can give you a real advantage. Many candidates struggle with identifying how Copilot integrates with Microsoft services and AI concepts. In this video, you'll see real exam-style questions with clear explanations so you can confidently tackle similar AB-900 questions and boost your chances of passing on the first attempt. Question number 1. Which Microsoft 365 Copilot feature helps users generate content in Word using AI? A. Power Automate. B. Microsoft Designer. C. Copilot in Word. D. Azure Bot Service. Correct answer C. Copilot in Word. Explanation. Copilot in Word uses AI to assist users in drafting, summarizing, and editing content directly in Word documents. It integrates with Microsoft Graph to understand context and provide relevant suggestions. This feature enhances productivity by automating writing tasks, which is a key concept tested in the AB-900 exam. Question number 2. Microsoft 365 Copilot is primarily powered by which technology? A. Blockchain. B. Machine learning only. C. Large language models, LLMs. D. Virtual machines. Correct answer C. Large language models, LLMs. Explanation. Microsoft 365 Copilot relies on large language models, such as those used in AI systems, to understand and generate human-like text. These models process natural language inputs and provide intelligent responses. Understanding LLMs is essential for AB-900 as they form the foundation of Copilot's capabilities. Question number 3. What is the role of Microsoft Graph in Copilot? A. It stores virtual machines. B. It manages network security. C. It provides organizational data and context. D. It builds dashboards. Correct answer C. It provides organizational data and context. Explanation. Microsoft Graph connects Copilot with organizational data such as emails, documents, and calendars. This allows Copilot to generate context-aware responses tailored to the user's work environment. In AB-900, understanding how Microsoft Graph enhances AI solutions is critical for answering scenario-based questions. Question number 4. Which benefit does Microsoft 365 Copilot provide to users? A. Hardware acceleration. B. Manual data entry. C. Increased productivity through AI assistance. D. Network monitoring. Correct answer C. Increased productivity through AI assistance. Explanation. Copilot improves productivity by automating repetitive tasks, generating content, and providing intelligent insights. It reduces manual effort and helps users focus on high-value work. The AB-900 exam often tests understanding of AI benefits, making productivity enhancement a key concept. Question number 5. In which Microsoft application can Copilot assist with data analysis? A. Microsoft Paint. B. Microsoft Excel. C. Notepad. D. Windows Media Player. Correct answer B. Microsoft Excel. Explanation. Copilot in Excel helps users analyze data, generate formulas, and create insights using natural language prompts. It simplifies complex data tasks and enables faster decision-making. This functionality highlights practical AI use cases, which are commonly tested in the AB-900 exam. Now you have seen the type of Microsoft 365 Copilot questions that can appear in the AB-900 exam. The key is understanding concepts, not just memorizing answers. With the right practice and strategy, you can confidently handle even the most challenging questions and move one step closer to certification success. If you want to practice more real exam-level AB-900 questions, Pass for Future offers full-length AB-900 practice tests designed to help you pass faster. Download now, start practicing today, and turn your exam preparation into a guaranteed success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay ahead of the competition.